Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can lock and unlock a Canva page. So if you have a page that you don't want to mess around anymore, you don't want to accidentally change anything on that page, you can lock that page. So it will prevent you from accidentally change anything on that page. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 pages in my document, and I'm going to lock this particular page. So in order to do that, you can click on this section that says that looks like a padlock, and you can enable that. It means that at this mode, you are not able to change you are not allowed to change the position of each element of the page. So if I click on the text box right here, I cannot move it somewhere else. It's just impossible. But I can still change the text. You can change the text, you can change other things, but other than that, you cannot change the position. So it's going to lock everything in place, which is really good. But if you click on the padlock button again, it will certainly lock everything. Like you cannot change the text, you cannot change the color, you cannot change the position. So this is the absolute lock. If you see this padlock icon look like this, it's locked, meaning that this page is not in the editing mode. By the way, I do recommend to enable the thumbnail view because I think it's just a lot easier to look at, and there is this icon visible, and you can right click on any page and then click lock page, and then you can select any of these two options, which is a lot better than manually having to clicking on the padlock icon multiple times to get the locking mode that you want. But yeah, if you click that padlock icon again, that locking feature will be disabled, and now you can edit the page normally. So that's how you can lock and unlock a page in Canva. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.